好啊，因為要考你。咁啊，冇啊嗰度，你講啊。I can't hear you。即係用一個字就錯兩度。你碌火啊嘛，咁你 seek 使唔使用個火啊？跟住我話個 seek，咁你而家你前面嗰度係咩嚟？你 had 嗰個係 past perfect tense 啊嘛。You have to use a past participle，你用個 PP 噶嘛。Seek is present form 或者 infinitive form 嗰個原型就係未經改動嘅嗰個就係 SEK，咁我而家要嗰個 perfect form，嗰個叫 PP form 啊，叫過去分詞嘅 form。索寫低佢，我未講完呢個字咧，我真係要講下嚇，要留意佢嗰個串法。尋找啲咩咧？嗱，我要練習用個過去式好唔好啊 ，Eddie？咁你喺個空位嗰度寫啦，等兩位同學睇到啊上下。我諗你喺上面寫啦，唔好喐嗰份嘢。我用個過去式啦，俾個例子我啦，俾個 object 我啦，小姐。short 咩啊？寫啦 ，short 嗰個字。我哋唔好成日用嚟用去都係用個 seek。Come on, give me an object. We have medical treatment. I want another one. Come on, young lady. 尋求嘅意見好唔好啊 ？Say it. Advice。甚至呢個都得喎，俾兩個例子佢。And then this is not all，未講完啊，呢句重要。咁有一個咧慣用語咧就係用嗰個 seek 嘅 sought 嗰個被動式嘅 ，OK？